Does anyone remember when we first started sharing computers and data? Here's a clue. The first logins were created in MIT's computer time sharing system. That was back in 1960. And sysadmins back then wanted simple authentication, so they chose username and password. Nobody wanted to dedicate machine resources to this authentication stuff. Today we have plenty of processing power and storage capacity, yet organizations still rely on this ancient form of authentication. Now, how many of you use the same password across multiple accounts? Sure, it's a pain having to invent and remember long strings of letters and numbers and symbols. So most of us use a small number of passwords that we rotate across our email, our social media, and even our bank accounts. And week after week we hear about data breach notifications, mostly caused by compromised user credentials. Clearly, this ancient method isn't working. So what's the answer? We're working on it at Haventec, and it starts with a network of trust. Trust empowers and drives successful economies and is synonymous with privacy. Our chief inventor, Rick Richardson, famously invented software activation technologies under the name Unilock. When I met Rick, he had started on this new security invention to solve a common challenge, the pain of managing multiple passwords. At Haventec, we're focused on making secure transactions easy and safer for everyday people and those organizations that service them. Our first product is Authenticate. It is a truly passwordless authentication system with a set of evolving keys. It decentralizes authentication. Each time you interact with an Authenticate protected system, we change the locks and keys while building a profile of trust from your safe behavior. We believe decentralizing authentication builds trust, and we're giving people back the rightful ownership of their information and their data privacy. Plus, as you're massively reducing risk, you can save your organization a lot of pain and money, and that's a combination that makes sense commercially. Our second product is Secure Wallet. It includes a one-click payment system with a decentralized authentication. So no longer do you have to give control of your credit card information to merchants and payment providers. Our third product is an adaptive network identity solution. It's a better blockchain. We've strengthened blockchain with our patented key technology so that it's no longer vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks. Haven Blockchain Platinum locks the blockchain to your device, and each time you interact with the blockchain, we build an adaptive ledger of trust. So that's Haventec. We're delivering real product that makes a real difference and provides real value. We're not paying for trust, we're earning it. We have Macquarie as a significant investor, and we're working towards trialling Authenticate on one of their staff mobile apps. Our security partner Nuix is conducting penetration testing, while our integration partner Fastlane Solutions is benchmarking the resilience of our products. Recently, we made our first major commercial deal with AMP Technologies from Silicon Valley. AMP will be embedding Authenticate into their commercial real estate management platform. And we're working towards a deal with Alpha Payments Cloud, where we'll be introducing Secure Wallet and Authenticate to their clients. We're working with other Australian firms in finance, ICT and logistics. If this sounds interesting to you, please come and talk to me and our co-founders, Rick Richardson and Dr. Tony Castagna, who are both here in the audience today. Dr. Castagna is a founder and chairman of several companies, including Nuix, and he's also a board advisor to Capital Markets CRC. We're ready to expand our team overseas, and we're looking for strategic partners and the right investors to join our team to take Haventec global. Thank you.